Okay, so we are going to set up Firefox on Windows. Okay, so let me show you. We are going to open our browser and then we search for Firefox download for Windows. Okay, so from there we are going to click on this link, firefox.com. So we are going to click on it and then we are going to be taken to this page. Okay, and from there we are going to click on download and now. Okay, so we are going to click on that. Let's wait. So, and the setup here, the executable is going to be downloaded, and let us click on it. Okay, so let us go back, downloads, and let us click on it. Okay, so just click open file. Okay, and then we wait. Okay, so from there we are going to get this installer. Okay, and we are going to start installing. So as you can see right now, now installing. Okay, make sure you have internet connection on your computer. Okay, so let's wait. Um, Yes, so I apologize for the first glitch you got. Okay, so that's just like that was just like that was like an error. I tried to call to cut the file using certain software, but it made it look like that. Okay, the quality it tempered with the quality. Okay, or there was a problem. Okay, so let's wait for the installation. So when the installation is done, as you can see, by continue you agree to this. So let's continue and then let's click save and continue. Okay, or we can just click down here and skip this step. Okay, so you can read through and then we are going to click skip this step. And as you can see, when we reach to personalize, we are going to also skip this. And as you can see, we are going to start browsing. Okay, so let's click on that and we are done. Okay, we are done setting up Firefox, and you can do whatever you want to do with Firefox.